What's up everyone, welcome back, and today in this video I would like to show you how to set and apply timer on TikTok. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your TikTok application, then tap on plus icon. Then if you want to set timer, like there have a 3 second, 60 second or 50 second. So if you want to set timer, so what should you do? You can get a option on the right side. There have a option timer, just tap it, timer. Then you can reset or you can set option. There you can see 9 second or 8 second. You can set anytime. So after set your timer, then start recording. 2 1. Okay, let's start your timing. So guys, you need to wait. There you can see 8 second already taken photo or video. So now you need to confirm it. Now you can edit it, you can text or you can edit yourself, and you can add music. After that, tap on next. Then you can type your description, then post it. Then there you can see it's uploading. You need to wait. It's already uploaded. There you can see it's already uploaded. So guys, in this way you can set timer on your TikTok. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.